Hey, what's up everyone? First off, I just want to say welcome and thank you for joining our Patreon community. Whether you've been rocking with us for a while or you're brand new here, we appreciate you being part of this journey. MasondoggAOT's mission here is simple: to share knowledge, create value, and build an amazing community where we all grow together. By joining our private members bronze tier, you're unlocking some exclusive content you won't find anywhere else, including deep dives into crypto. For beginners, including NFTs, DeFi, staking, RWAs, and more, I'll guide you through the ever-changing world of digital assets, general computers, and technology knowledge. Whether it's software, hardware, automation, or the latest tech trends and more, you'll stay ahead of the game. Industry secrets and insights. I'll share what I've learned from experience, helping you make informed decisions. Collabs with content creators. You'll get access to exclusive content and knowledge from our network of creators and professionals. When you are in the bronze tier, you unlock this value. Private Discord access. Connect with me and like-minded individuals, learn in real time, and grow your network. Giveaways and perks. Get access to special rewards, exclusive content, and some dope giveaways. Exclusive virtual events, private Q&A sessions, live strategy talks, and behind-the-scenes content. Again, thank you for being here. We are excited to build something special with you. Be sure to check out the content, introduce yourself in the community, and let's make moves together. See you inside.